It's my picture of you. I will extract them as picture. No. I don't always take pictures of you eating. Stick to your left.
Have you already filmed the dolphins? You can go all around it too, and that's also a show.
It's okay, Anak. This is not about work. This is about relaxing and filming.
No, some creative ideas. No.
No, I welcome. But I prefer humans. Don't meet the humans. Oh, there's something new opening up here. What is it called? Oh no, Utopia. Something else. With the girl at the entrance.
That girl was maybe not there. That thing has been there all the time.
It's called Utopia. Shamrock must mean something in Irish, because I see them.
That's a shamrock, it's a clover, and that's a symbol of Ireland. This grass that's have, you know, we always say if it has 4 leaves, it brings you luck. That's a clover, it's a shamrock.
Uh-huh.
The grass you have maybe not in Tenerife, but in Belgium and England, in Ireland. And people always look for the one that has 4 leaves. And if you find one with 4 leaves, it brings you luck. That's a shame.
Really? I'm discovering every day something. Is that a family gathering discussing the fate of the world? Well, I see generational if you look at humans, smoking that stuff.
And I'm inhaling it and it's making me sick. It's making me exhausted. You now start hallucinating.
I remember this guy's I've always thought that Leti and this woman that used to get the club. Anyway, I don't want to mess up the video with it. No. Let's Mania, that's the restaurant.
That's the leader of the Chinese members. He was definitely into drugs and stuff.
The salespeople, they're high-tempered.
And then I know there was a party at his house, and this woman that was a member of the club who was a police officer was there, and they're all smoking drugs, and she was apparently torn.
It's a peaceful boats there. Peaceful. Paisible. Bateau de plaisance. There's always been. You can walk all the way to the Playa de Troya. Remember, next to the King Kong, there's a way down. That's that way that takes you here.
If you walk on the beach at some point, no, you always walk on it.
We did all that. You just have to remember. If you don't remember, we can do it again.
Yeah, I remember that one day we walked down.
Oh, that's the point. Super cold. It's Berlin actually. You see the name of the bar at the top. See that? Down here. It's Bitburg. No? There's a bar in.
Almost afternoon
There's a celebrity bar in Frankfurt called Bitburg. That's what I saw there. It's a
Bitburg?
Yeah, that's a German bar. That's what I was trying to show you. But
so,
yeah, but the entrance is through Bitburg. You have to go up.
I find the energy.
Well, soon you will not have any choice.
Unless I have to take this task.
That was unlike me. A bit too casual, yeah. Sounds good, huh? Bonita. Bebita. Another one. It's the they also have their entertainment. No wonder they run out of personnel here, because there's so many, they all do the same thing. No, how do you say, creative distinction.
Maybe some painting on t-shirts for the kids, they can take home. You know, the better ones will have entertainment activities that kids can do stuff and take it home as a souvenir. But of course that costs money, because they provide the t-shirt, they provide the paint. So I think there is a difference.
Do you think that the food here is better than Seoul?
The food in our hotel, it's better than Seoul. It's better than the last time we were here. I remember it being very bad, but this year I won't find it very bad. This year I have always found things I liked. Watch out, Freddy, there's someone behind you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, there's no baby. No baby in the caddy.
He's running behind her.
Oh, she didn't realize this. She had lost it. And then suddenly she's gonna be surprised. Oh!
Try to be creative with my pictures because we've been here 10 times, so find different things.
I know, dear. It's
Different.